बाधाएं आती हैं आए गृह प्रलय की घोर घटाए, बाधाएं आती हैं आए गृह प्रलय की घोर घटाए, पाँवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। My respected honorable teacher, my dear friends, good morning to all of you. And today's my topic and importance of education. If I make any mistake, so please forgive me. First education of introduction. So education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. Education is the essence of life. Education is equally necessary for man and woman, because educated and healthy society is created by them together. And education is an essential tool for a bright future. Education plays an important role in the development and progress of a country. Education helps to make a person better. Education, equality, justice and unity develop in the society through education. And national education is important for upliftment as it develops to the individuals of the country. So, my dear friends, historical background of education. Historical background of education, a major element of ancient Indian education system was a Gurukul system. A student used to go away from their houses and reside in Gurukul and a student used to sit in front of Guru and gain knowledge and develop an sense of self-reliance. And my dear friends, the first national education policy was implemented in 1968, and second national education policy was implemented in 1986. My dear friends, after 34 years, new education policy was implemented in 2022. My dear friends, Lord Macaulay is considered the father of English education, and Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is considered father of national education. My dear friends, so major point of education. Education creates good thoughts within a human. Educated people build a better society. Human have the power to think well, so they are superior to all creatures. And the main duty of education is to build the character of a student. And an educated person can face any types of problem with full patience. My dear friends, so current education system, so a little child studies essential initial education from Anganwadi center, and he studies 6 months to 6 years. Then he studies primary education, then he studies secondary education, then he studies higher secondary education, then he studies in college, and then he gives knowledge. My dear friends, honorable friends, so the state of in India has the highest literacy rate of 96.2%, and the state of Bihar has the lowest literacy rate 63%, and the literacy rate of MP is 69%, while male literacy rate is 78%, and female literacy rate is 59%. And my dear friends, Jabalpur, so the district of Jabalpur in MP has the highest literacy rate of 81%, and while Alirajpur district of Alirajpur in MP has the lowest literacy rate of, and my dear friends, and so what can we major challenges in front of education. So lack of basic things in a school. Many a school in India lack of basic amenities, including clean water, sanitation, playgrounds, and toilets, etc. So my friends, conclusion. Education helps us to conclude what is right, what is wrong. Education increases our patience, power of thinking, contemplation, and determination. Through education, we can eradicate poverty and ignorance. Through education, we can create an environment of peace and brotherhood around. So I would like to say this at the end of my speech. This is said by former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So thinking, learning gives creativity leads to thinking provides us knowledge make you great. Thank you, honorable friends. Thanks for hearing my speech.